In the sunshine, this is Linda's Renault 4 GTL, which is quite an old 1100, 1980. It was running a bit strange the other day, and we noticed the exhaust was blowing. Just got a hole under here, so I've got some new bits. This comes from my local supplier. This bit here was on eBay, and this bit here is from eBay. This bit was from my local supplier. Wasn't very expensive. But if you notice, this is the original system, which runs outboard along the edge of the sill. The new system, which is strictly speaking for the later cars, runs inboard, meaning it's much easier to jack the car up. Anyway, providing it all fits together, that should sort it out. Right, 2 hours later, we've got this shiny new bit on here. A nice shiny new bit under here. And this under here. I had to drill some new holes and slightly modify the brackets. But it's all under here, looking good and nice and quiet.